Hi, my name is Andrew Kinney. I'm an attorney. I practice Social Security law at Hoglund Law Offices. Today I'm going to talk about who can represent you if you have a Social Security disability claim. Technically anyone can. If someone has not gone to school, has not finished high school, has not ever read a medical record or even walked into a Social Security office, anyone can technically sign a form and say they represent someone else for a Social Security claim. That's not so bad if you have a loved one helping you that cares about you, but what is very important is if you're in a position where you're deciding you want some professional help, then you need to know what your rights are. Social Security allows non-attorneys to do and represent people before the Social Security Administration and charge fees. The typical fees are a quarter of back pay. That's what's allowed by Social Security. That's in the same way of looking at it as attorneys. Attorneys represent people before Social Security judges and non-attorneys. So one of the things, and if you're looking at this video, one of the things that you may be presented with is an option of having a non-attorney firm or an attorney firm. It's absolutely your choice. What I can offer are things to think about when you're making that choice. First, what is the training of the person that may help you or the firm that may help you? For instance, is it a law firm or is it not a law firm? Two, if someone has training in it, do they have legal training, not just regular training? Three, if someone has legal training in this, are they a licensed lawyer or not a licensed lawyer? Four, if they are actually a licensed lawyer, one thing to consider is, well, how many hearings does your firm do generally per year? Is this a side work that you do, or is this primarily what you focus on in your work? That's a good analysis to go through for law firms and non-law firms. If you commit to the idea that you are possibly going in front of a federal judge who is a lawyer and having experts to cross-examine, if you're committed to the idea of wanting an attorney, you have a right to get an attorney. No matter if you have a long-term disability policy and they ask that you get representation, you have a right to choose an attorney, and there will be no additional charges for that, because for someone with long-term disability, the back pay that goes back, you only pay back, in general, how this works, what you get. If someone has general assistance, if they are getting welfare and they are requested to apply for Social Security, again, you have a choice to get an attorney. So make sure to follow through with what you know is important, because these benefits could be for years and it could be thousands of dollars at stake. It's good to do it right the first time, so find a representative you trust and ask for the qualifications. If you have any further questions about Social Security law, you can feel free to call our offices at 1-855-513-STOP, that's STOP, and you can also go to our website. Hopefully there's good information on there that would help you with your decisions, and that's presented below. Thank you very much.